Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Frozen Aperol Spritz. Super tasty and refreshing cocktail and also easy to make. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need Aperol, Prosecco, and fresh orange juice. I'm going to start with the juice. I'm going to use fresh. Ice into a blender, 2 ounces of orange juice, two ounces of Aperol, and 2 ounces of Prosecco. Pour this into a glass. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, time for a taste test. Cheers! Oh, this is really good. It's light, crisp, and refreshing. Perfect cocktail for a hot day. I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. And that's how you make the Frozen Aperol Spritz. Alright, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!